Want to know what makes the first digital SAT session actually set a student up for improvement? Start with a full-length Bluebook diagnostic using the official College Board app, because that gives you the clearest picture of where the student really stands. Keep it timed, with no help and no breaks, so the results reflect real testing conditions instead of an artificial practice environment. Once the test is done, review the results by domain and look closely at where the mistakes are happening most often. Pay attention to which errors matter most, because an algebra mistake early in the test can be more important than a later geometry miss. Then set a clear score goal based on the student's target colleges, so the tutoring has a specific direction from the beginning. Build a realistic timeline with both the student and parent, because clear expectations early on make the entire process smoother. Use the diagnostic to create a focused study plan, and keep each session structured with error review, targeted skill practice, and short homework. For math, start with algebra and bring in Desmos early, while reading and writing should begin with craft and structure before moving into deeper reading skills. The strongest digital SAT tutoring starts with accurate data, clear goals, and a consistent plan that helps students improve with confidence.